Hello everyone, thank you for joining the Action YouTube channel today. My name is Bleona and today we're going to be making a rainbow pop-up card together. A little bit about me before we begin. I am currently a 10th grader at the Oklamas High School, and when I was young I went to Bennett Woods. One of my favorite books to read at that time was The Rainbow Fish. It's a really fun book and it fits the rainbow topic today, so maybe you can check that out if you're interested. So now that we know each other a little bit, let's get into the video. For today's project, we're going to need some colorful papers. We're going to need some markers for the colors of the rainbow and a Sharpie. We're also going to need a glue stick and a pair of scissors. So the first thing we're going to do is take our blue piece of paper and fold it in half, just like this. This is going to be making the base of our card. So with our white piece of paper, we're going to cut out a half circle following this line, and this is eventually going to go on to become our rainbow. So the next thing we're going to do is take our half circle and fill in the colors of the rainbow. I've drawn out a stencil here of how to fill them in, so you could do pink here, orange, yellow, and so on until you've completed the rainbow. So after we've colored in our half circle, we're going to start folding it in like a fan to fit the card. So I've done a little bit here to show as a demonstration. What we're going to do is we're going to take the corners and fold them in as a triangle, and we're going to do that back and forth until you've completed the whole circle and have made a fan-like shape. Now this can be a little difficult, so if you need a little help, you can always ask your parents. So now that we folded our rainbow, we're going to add glue to the tabs of both ends of the rainbow. And then we're going to take that and we're going to glue it into our card like this. Now that we have glued in our rainbow, the last thing to do is add any type of decorations or any writing that you would like. We have finished our card. I decided to add a little cloud for my rainbow and my message to you all, which says keep learning and keep reading, and most importantly, have fun doing it. I hope you guys enjoyed making this pop-up card, and I hope you had as much fun as I did. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!